Hey guys, Robert here from Waimanalo Bay Beach in Hawaii. This is the beach where I believe they have the surfing competition. This is on the North Shore of Hawaii. I thought I'd run out here this morning, do this video. SECO wanted me to do an unboxing video because they have made me a brand ambassador. So I've been using SECO gear for a long time. It's always great stuff. I've always enjoyed their products and things, so I guess it's a natural evolution that they would make me a brand ambassador, right? So welcome to Surveying with Robert. So hey, let's check this out. I have not opened this box up yet, so I wanted to see what was inside, but I've been waiting. So let's open it up. Drum roll, please. Okay, here we go. Okay, so welcome to our family. And SECO, invest in the best. Oh wow, they put me a really cool card together. Welcome to the SECO Precision family. We're excited to have you in our new SECO Ambassador program. This is awesome. Got a personalized card. That's really cool. Let's see what else we have here. So I have a really cool mouse pad. So mouse pad says SECO on it. Almost looks camo, but it's got SECO stuff on it. Let's see what else we have here. I have a sticker. I can put this on my hard hat because I'm out there working in Pearl Harbor right now on the shipyard. So SECO sticker. What else do we have here? Oh wow, looky here. This is a selfie stick, I'm gonna call it, for my iPhone, which I've been meaning to get one of these. I have got all kinds of camera gear, but I, for some reason, have never bought a selfie stick for my iPhone. Looky here, I have one now. So, other cool things include a really cool SECO hat that I can wear. SECO catalog, one of the new ones. More stickers. SECO ink pen. I'll probably order some of these because I'm always needing ink pens. Let's see here. Oh man, a really nice SECO vest. Check it out. This is handy because out there on this project that I'm working on at Pearl Harbor, you have to have a vest. Pretty much all the construction stuff that you do out here, vest and a hard hat. So, what have we got here? This is a wireless microphone that they sent me. I guess that's going to go with my iPhone on the selfie stick, right? That's cool. Oh, looky there. They knew I would be needing more pins, so they sent some extra pins in here. Check that out. So, wow, they sent me several. I've got several pins. Huh. This ought to last me for at least a month before I lose them, right? So really cool pins. So I want to thank the guys from SECO. The top of the box, by the way, says, as a SECO ambassador, you're more than just a surveyor, you're a leader in precision. You represent the highest standards of accuracy, innovation, and craftsmanship in the field. Together, we're setting the benchmark for excellence. Welcome to the forefront of precision surveying. SECO, invest in the best. SECO, I greatly appreciate it. You guys are freaking awesome. Like I said, I've been using your products for a long time. I am privileged to be a SECO ambassador. Hey guys, hopefully we'll get some cool videos coming out of Hawaii before long, as soon as I get a couple of these projects done I'm working on. So that's all good stuff I'll be bringing to you guys. So take care, and I'll see you guys in the next one.